My dear viewers, today's cooking recipe is quick lentils. Suppose you have returned home from a long trip from somewhere, or suppose that a lot of time is spent on important tasks throughout the day. And in this situation, you don't feel like cooking much more after returning home, then you can try this recipe. It is as easy to cook as it is tasty and healthy. Okay, let's start our cooking. I will cook it in a pressure cooker. These are pink lentils. I have washed and cleaned the lentils before. 1 cup lentils. Let the cooker dry well. Okay, now cooker is completely dry. I am giving some mustard oil. Let the oil be completely hot and spreading it around. Here is dry chili, a pinch of black cumin, a pinch of celery seed and pinch of fenugreek. I am pouring this in hot oil. Now adding 3 green chilies sliced like this. Now pouring the whole raw lentils. Fry for a couple of minutes like this. Salt should be given according to one's preference. Turmeric should be used a very small amount in these pink lentils. Otherwise, the taste will be very bad. This time I will add some vegetables like green tomatoes, half green pumpkin, pieces of radish. In this recipe, both vegetables and pulse will be eaten together. At this, I no longer have to bother cooking vegetables separately. Adding pinch of sugar. In this way, it should be lightly fried for 2 minutes. Okay, now pouring 2 cups of hot water. Close the lid of the cooker. Now I have to wait until the 2 whistles. I am giving a kitchen tip. While it is still hot, wipe the pressure cooker with a cloth like this. This keeps the pressure cooker almost clean. 2 whistles are over. Turn off the oven. Wait for the pressure cooker to cool down on its own. Time is over. The pressure cooker has cooled down. I am opening finally. Wow, a very nice flavor came out. Just checking that everything is cooked. Very nicely done. Finally, adding fresh coriander leaves. It will smell better. Cooking is done, ready to serve. It can be eaten as soup by itself, or it can be eaten with rice or roti. Try this recipe. Thanks for watching.